How to add your position on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add your position on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app and now click these three lines in top corner, and here you will find your profile. Click on it and click edit, and then just go down, click more information, and here you will find your career. Just click on it, click edit, and here will find position. Just add it and add time, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.